Hey everyone! In this video, I'm excited to share my latest purchase with you. A brand new, sleek case for building a custom PC from MSI. It's got some great features, but there are a couple of things to watch out for. We'll do a quick unboxing together, and I'll show you everything that comes in the box. I'll also highlight some of the standout features, like the tempered glass panel and dust filters on the case walls. Those are definite pluses. But one downside? There are no fans included. Yep, I had to buy them separately, but if you've seen my previous videos, you already know which ones I picked. And stick around till the end, because I'll reveal how much I paid for this awesome case. The price might surprise you. This case supports motherboards with reverse mounting, where all the cable connectors and ports are located on the back. This is great if you want to minimize visible cables and create a clean, sleek build. Another standout feature is the flexibility to install your graphics card either the traditional way, directly onto the motherboard, or vertically using riser cables. This gives you more options and allows you to showcase your GPU's design. On the front panel, you'll find a power button, a reset button, a combo 3.5mm jack for headphones, and a microphone, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and a modern Type-C port, which is perfect for charging your phone. What's especially cool is the holographic dragon that lights up when you power it on. It shifts through different colors on the front panel, adding a sleek and futuristic touch to the case's design. If you find this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support is the best motivation for me to keep making more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.